Next up, the Lull for Gunny. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now, control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to find out what happened to the jungle southwest of Hunter's Paradise. This is simple enough. I'd recommend you come to Foxtrot 3. From here, simply head just north, and you'll find this building over here, 156, 164. That's where we need to head. It's quicker than heading from any other location here. If you don't have it unlocked, well, you'll need to walk, probably from Foxtrot 2. Heading north up into the bush here, we should see that it's pretty much clear. There's one guard here, possibly more. Yeah, just one of them. And right over here by the well, just outside in the front, we have somebody here reporting them. There you go. We're done with this quest. Get back to base and hand it in. And there we go. We get handed the quest. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.